Hello everyone, now we're in CODEWARS. We're solving a problem titled How Good Are You Really? So you can pause the video if you want to read it, the description. So basically there is a list of class points. So we have to find the average of the class points and then we compare it with our own score. If our score is bigger than the class points, this function will return true, else it will return false. Okay, so first we have to find the average of the class points. Sum it first, and then the length. Okay. We can immediately return it by using, I forgot the name, but we can do this in one line. So return true if your points is bigger than the class points, else false. Then pass. Yeah, everything looks good. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you.